This is a quick unboxing of the Belkin BoostCharge Power Bank 20K. It can charge 3 phone charges, charge from 0 to 50% in 35 minutes, has 15 watt, 1 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, and it's pre-charged, ready to use. So let's unbox it. By the sound of the ambulance, you can guess which country we are in now. Oh, it's not ambulance, it's fire truck. So here's the power bank. It comes with a USB-C cable and USB-A port. And it's quite thick, and so it's not the carbon lithium battery, but it's the old style, and it's quite heavy, so you also can use it as a weight to throw at some bicycle thieves, or you can put it on paper to keep it from flying off. So there's only Belkin on the cover, and the important is that it has the 3 C's, which you need if you want to travel through China. If not, they will confiscate your power bank. And there's a small button over here, and it says that it's fully charged. So that was the quick unboxing. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.